If you're looking to discover the best multi-asset allocation funds for 2025, you're probably asking yourself how to ensure your portfolio is positioned for long-term success while minimizing risks. In today's market, diversification is key, but with the right strategies, you can make the most out of your investments and protect your wealth. Whether you're managing a sizable IRA, a 401k, or have other significant savings, choosing the right funds is crucial for securing your financial future. Stick around till the end of this video because I'm about to show you what funds will provide the best returns for 2025 and how to avoid common pitfalls that can hurt your wealth. Before we dive into the best options, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, I highly recommend checking the first link in the description below. It'll guide you on why thousands of Americans are turning to gold IRAs to preserve their assets. This free gold IRA guide is perfect if you have at least 100Ks in an IRA or 401k, or even 5M plus in savings. Now, when it comes to multi-asset allocation funds for 2025, it's important to first understand what they are and how they work. These funds combine different asset classes, such as equities, bonds, real estate, and even commodities, into a single, diversified portfolio. The goal is to spread risk across multiple sectors, helping you avoid large losses in case one asset class underperforms. But not all multi-asset allocation funds are created equal, and picking the right one can be overwhelming, especially if you're not familiar with the nuances of the market. One of the most important things to look for when evaluating these funds is their historical performance. Past performance doesn't guarantee future results, but it can give you an idea of how well the fund has navigated market cycles. Some funds focus on global diversification, while others may be more regionally specific. Be cautious with funds that are overly reliant on one market or sector, especially with inflation and interest rates on the rise. Now, let's talk about the types of assets you should be investing in. Most financial experts recommend that retirees, especially those with a sizable nest egg, focus on a combination of bonds, dividend stocks, and even alternative assets like real estate and commodities. Bonds can offer stable income, while dividend stocks provide the potential for both growth and regular income. But you can't ignore the power of gold IRAs, which offer a hedge against inflation and market volatility. These IRAs allow you to hold precious metals like gold and silver, which historically outperform other assets during periods of market uncertainty. If you're managing over 100K or $5 in savings, it's critical that you explore more than just stocks and bonds. Multi-asset allocation funds might sound like a great choice, but adding a gold-backed IRA to your portfolio can provide stability during market downturns. If you're concerned about stock market swings or the unpredictability of bonds, gold IRAs are an ideal option. Unlike multi-asset allocation funds, gold IRAs directly tie your wealth to a precious, tangible asset that tends to hold its value, even when other investments falter. So, let's discuss a few funds that stand out for 2025. Funds like the Vanguard Life Strategy Funds and the BlackRock Global Allocation Fund are top contenders due to their global reach and diversified holdings. But when you compare these to the stability that gold IRAs offer, you'll quickly realize that gold remains an unrivaled asset for securing wealth over the long term. If you're holding an IRA or 401k, adding a gold IRA could be one of the smartest moves you can make right now. Before we wrap up, if you're a retiree with more than 100K in your IRA or even $5 in savings, you can take immediate action to safeguard your wealth. Again, don't miss the first link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide. It's tailored to help you make an informed decision that will protect your hard-earned wealth for the years ahead. In closing, multi-asset allocation funds have their place in a diversified portfolio, but they don't always offer the same protection and growth potential as gold IRAs. So if you're serious about securing your wealth in the next 2 weeks, make sure you explore all your options. A gold IRA could be the missing piece of the puzzle you've been looking for. Again, if you want to learn more about how gold IRAs can safeguard your savings, check out the free guide linked below. If you have 100K plus or more in an IRA or 401k or even 5M plus in savings, this is something you can't afford to miss.